Welcome to No Brokerhood. This app is all about making life in your building society more convenient and secure. Now that you have downloaded the app, it's time to yourself. Enter your details on the sign up screen and press login. On the next screen, you will have to enter details of your society and apartment. Once those details are filled in, select the owner option if you are the owner of the apartment or the tenant option if you are staying there as a tenant. As an owner, you can choose if the house is vacant, given to tenants, or if you are residing there. Once you make a choice as an owner or tenant, your society manager will verify and approve your request.
Here's how you can add family members on the No Brokerhood app. Tap the profile icon to go to your profile. Now tap on the Family Members button. Next, tap Add a new family member. You can enter their information or simply select it from your contacts. Your family member has now been added. Wasn't that easy? There's a lot you can do with No Broker. Here's how you can invite guests on the No Brokerhood app. Tap on the Invite Guest icon. Now, enter the name and phone number of your visitor and click Add Guest. You can also specify the date and duration of the visit. Your guest has been added. They'll get an SMS with the passcode. Now all they have to do is show the passcode to the gate security. It's that simple. There's a lot you can do with No Brokerhood. To learn more, here's how you can add domestic staff on the No Brokerhood app. Tap the Domestic Staff tab to get started. To add someone, tap the Add New button. Now select the type of domestic staff you need to add. Explore the list and select the staff member. You can also check out their rating and reviews. Once you've decided, tap the Add to Flat button. Confirm your choice and the staff member you selected will now be added. There's a lot you can do with No Brokerhood. To learn more, here's how you can use the chat feature on the No Brokerhood app. Tap the Group and Forum tab at the bottom right of your screen. You can see your existing chats here. To start a new chat, tap the plus icon. Now select the contact you want to chat with. That's how easy it is. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. To learn more, here's how you can use the forum feature on the NoBrokerHood app. Tap the Group and Forum tab at the bottom right of your screen. You can browse all the current forums here or create a new discussion. To start a new discussion, add the title and the topic and tap Post. Your forum has now been created and residents can now view and comment on the forum. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. To learn more, visit Here's how you can raise a complaint on the NoBrokerHood app. Tap the My Complaints tab at the bottom right of your screen. To raise a complaint, tap the icon at the bottom. Select the type of complaint and enter any relevant details. And tap Lodge Complaint. Your ticket has been created and a staff member will be notified. You can check the status of your complaint here. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. To learn more, visit nobrokerhood.com or call us on. Here's how you can book amenities on the NoBrokerHood app. Tap the Amenities tab at the bottom left of your screen. You can see the available amenities and how many people are currently using them. Tap any one to see more information about it. You can now see the details of that amenity. Go ahead and book it by tapping the button below. Pick the date you want and select your preferred time slot. Once you're done, tap the Book button again. Your booking has been made. You can check all your bookings by tapping the View All Bookings button. You can also get there from the Amenities page by tapping the My Bookings button. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. To learn more, visit NoBrokerHood. Here's how you can pay your maintenance and utility bills on the NoBrokerHood app. Tap the Payments tab at the bottom left of your screen. You can see your pending bills here. Select the one you want to pay now. Next, select the payment method you want to use. Enter your OTP for this transaction and tap Submit. You'll get a payment confirmation with the transaction details. You can download it for future reference. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. Here's how you can send an SOS alert on the NoBrokerHood app. Scroll down to find the SOS button. Go ahead and tap it to send an alert. Select the type of emergency you're facing by tapping on the appropriate button. Your SOS alert will be sent in 5 seconds. All on-duty security guards and all of your family members will be notified about your emergency. Help is now on the way. There's a lot you can do with NoBrokerHood. To learn more, visit nobrokerhood.com or call us on 924-300-9815.